30-day glow on is here! Oh, hey you. Do you want that decadent food life? That life that's about how you feel in your own skin. Your confidence. Confidence is sexy. It's not another lame diet program to give yourself a beach body. No calorie counting. No weighing yourself. No numbers at all, honey, unless it's like take 1 cup of that amazingness and put it on your plate. No guilt. No shame. If you're thinking, cool, that's cute, but what do I have to give up? Listen, girl, nothing. This is not about taking stuff out. This is putting stuff in that's gonna fuel you. In 30 days, you can set your habits, your lifestyle. This is not a diet, this is a life. It's delicious, it's decadent. Pizza, barbecue burgers, biscuits, pho, or pho. Alexa, how do you say pho? Pho! Weekly shopping list, menus laid out for you. I am so over programs that have meal plans that give you about 45,000 ingredients for each meal. I can't do it. Because, after you use the 45,000 ingredients, there is a small, little bitty plate of food for you to eat, and then you're starving after. I am a foodie. We will not take that away from you. And Friday nights, you got a treat night. So you can eat whatever you want, who cares? Glowing Fox Life is about giving you more life. It's about giving you more joy, to give you the most energy, the most capacity. You'll have that food life, that fitness life, feeling good in your own skin. Learn as you glow, baby. Learn as you glow. Oh, little Nachito. Even Nacho loves this lifestyle. And if you hate it, GFY. Wait, I'm not being rude. Go fox yourself.